BarEl Software. With the help of BarEl Software, use the table below containing group data to calculate sample skewness, sample kurtosis, minimum value, maximum value, model value, mean, standard deviation, variance, sum of frequency mid value, median helper, lower quartile helper, upper quartile helper, and then make remarks on skewness and kurtosis. Bear in mind that BarEl Software can also calculate skewness and kurtosis for non-grouped data. When it is used to calculate kurtosis and skewness for non-grouped data, the lower limit is taken or regarded as the upper limit. What it means is that the lower limit should equal to the upper limit. Please watch and listen attentively. Now copy and paste the values from the following columns and paste them in the columns where it is indicated that it should be inserted manually. The median helper is 5. The lower, oh, let us just go to the report, though the information on the form is just the same as the one on the report. So let us go to the report. The median helper is 5. Lower quartile is 2.5. The third quartile helper is 7.5, or the upper quartile 7.5, the median 5, the lower quartile 2.5, the third quartile helper 7.5. The mean is 5. You can see all the information is here. Minimum is 2.5, maximum 9, standard deviation 2.178, variance 4.74. Skewness is 0.2869838055614006. Kurtosis is 1.96821607700396. Acceptability on kurtosis. The values for symmetry and kurtosis between negative and 2 are considered acceptable. So you can see that this value is between -2 and +2, therefore is acceptable in order to prove normal and univariate distribution. So this one is acceptable. Skewness, if the skewness is between -0 and 5, the data are fairly symmetrical. So this one is between -0.5 and 0.5 and 0.05. Remarks on kurtosis. Since this value is more than 0, it is considered to be a heavily tailed data set. This is a positive kurtosis. It has more in the tail than the normal distribution. Thank you very much for watching and listening attentively.